This brings me to the third line of defense on community and individual responsibility. The government will do everything we can in this fight against the virus. Many of our officials are going beyond their usual duties to focus on this challenge. They include our healthcare and medical personnel at the front line, ICA officers manning the checkpoints, police and SCDF officers and auxiliary police screening incoming travelers and safeguarding persons under quarantine, as well as the CAAS and MPA officers at airport and cruise terminals, and many, many more. Whole of government officials are going all out to tackle this. But all that is not enough. We need every Singaporean to play their part, to take all necessary precautions, and to exercise individual and collective responsibility. For example, employers can help by ensuring their employees who have just returned from China stay at home under LOA. If anyone in the office is sick, employers should immediately ask them to see a doctor and stay at home to recover. We also have a responsibility in this time of heightened alert, not to spread unverified information or false news which can cause needless panic and fear. And unfortunately, in recent times, there have been various online posts and articles containing falsehoods. For example, that we have run out of masks, that someone in Singapore has died from the virus, that Woodlands MRT station was shut for disinfection. These are all false, fake news, and fortunately we now have POFMA to deal with these fake news. The government has used POFMA to correct them and clarify the facts swiftly, and we will continue to do so to avoid unnecessary panic and anxiety. Even as we address false information, we have stepped up our efforts to provide everyone with timely and accurate information. We try to reach all segments of society through various platforms, including broadcast media, display panels in HDB estates, government websites, and social media. We have been using gov.sg WhatsApp to provide timely updates to Singaporeans in all our official languages. To date, more than 300,000 have signed up for the service, and I encourage anyone who has not done so to subscribe and to get the latest verified information and advisories. As the situation continues to evolve, we ask Singaporeans to continue turning to official or credible sources for accurate and up-to-date information. We ask Singaporeans to be discerning and share only verified information. Together, we can help prevent misinformation and falsehoods from sowing fear and causing panic in our society. At the individual level, it is also essential that all of us continue to uphold good personal hygiene, as emphasized by Mr. Gan just now. Wash our hands regularly with soap, do not touch our face with our hands, cover our mouths when we cough or sneeze. If you have flu-like symptoms, avoid public places and wear a mask on your way to the clinic so that you do not risk infecting others.